Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. Today I am going to be making my nan's high fibre cake. What you will need: 1 cup of all bran, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1.5 cups of dried fruit, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Preheat your oven to the degrees shown on the screen. First thing you're going to want to do is soak your all bran, fruit, sugar and spice until soft. You're going to leave this in the bowl for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Once the mixture has gone soft, you are going to mix in your flour, then loosen the dough with a little milk or water if needed. Now spoon in your mixture into the tin and make sure that it's evenly spread. Thank you for watching today's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.